welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be showing you this handy little perfume stand, or you can just put anything on it that I have. I'm just kind of cleaning it with a wipe. So I've packed some of my perfumes out, and I'm gonna put some new ones in. I've packed some of it inside my room. Tony is sleeping. I will do the video in the room and unpack everything from it, but I just started doing it in there and then come out here to finish it. So guys, you can invest in one of these. It's really nice to have. So I'm going to show you how I store my cologne or my perfume, whichever one you want to call it, because I put Tony colognes on it too. There's two of them, one for me, one for him. So guys, I'm opening this Guess perfume. Let's see if this one can hold on this stand. Wow, this is pretty. Let me see. Oh, this smell. Wow, this one smells good. Guys, this one is so nice. Let's hope you can see it good. Let me see where this one can fit. Maybe I'll have to shift this shelf down a bit so it can hold two. So I'll put this at the bottom. Let me make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Yes, you can see. So I have another one that I got for Christmas from a friend. This is just a everyday one perfume. It's nice. So it's Vera Wang Princess. Let me see if this one can hold here. Yes. And of course I have this one, Miss Delicate. These are just, this one is like when I shop in the evenings when I'm home, I put like this one on. So let's see whether this one can fit. Maybe here. Yeah. This is an old one. This is not finished. I still have some in it. I'll just try and see if I can fit another one. So this one I got for my birthday from Tony. So this one is a Coach. So I'll find a space for the Coach. So I'll spin this around. Let's see if it will fit here now. So I'm going to take this shelf up a bit. see. So there you have it. So that's the coach. So now I have this, my Jennifer Aston. So let's pull this one. This feels very small. Wow. This is a cute little bottle. Look how cute this is. Oh, maybe I can put it on the top. This one can go on the top. So this is Rare by Rihanna. So guys, I don't know if I'm calling that one right. So let's see how tall this bottle is. Maybe it's another small one. I have no idea. Wow, this is cute. Let's try this one. Wow, this have a citrusy smell. It's very nice and mild. I like this one, but I like the Coach more. Coach is a long lasting. I'll put this on top. Let me see if it can hold on top. If it can hold on the top. No, it can't hold on the top. I'll put it right here. So guys, I had this one. Which one I had at the top? Oh, I had this one here. Guys, I'm going to be opening this Victoria's Secret teas. I love the smell of this one. I've used it before. This is a new one. Tony bought this one for me also. So this is what this one look like. Wow, let me. Yeah, this one is nice. So guys, I have other perfume in the room, but I just want to see if I can fit the small ones here. And guys, this is Scandalous from Victoria's Secret. This one is also nice. It's just spray it from here. I have this one. I have this one can't hold at the top. I have the body, the body splash. Might have to move a shelf down. Let's see if this can hold at the top. Alright. Let's see how we're gonna fix this now. I'll put back this one here. Maybe. Let me see if this one can hold. Yeah, this one can hold here. Okay. Well, this one can't fit anywhere. I'm not certain. I'll just take the, let's take the top off and see if it can fit. Just to check. No, I'll have to go one step down. Let me see where I can go one step down. Maybe here. Let me see something. This is too short. No, maybe I should put this right here. Oh, Now I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this down here and then put the shelf here, so the one at the top, and then I'll put this here. See, so easy, how easy it is to do. So this is how it looks. I will be trying to get another one because I have a lot of cologne and perfumes. Tony have cologne, I have perfumes in the room. These are some of what I have. This is an old one, and I think this one over here is a Calvin Klein, and I have some. This is old, but it's still it's a very good one, trust me. It old till the top change color. I store them all the time, honestly. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys will invest in one of this. You can put your maybe your lipstick on your brush, stick your brush at the top. Let me see if I can find a brush before I end this video and show you what I would put at the top. Found the eye cream, so I can place this at the top too. When you put small things at the top, so guys, I'm also packing. I forgot that part to go away, so I'll show you. There's another thing that I want to show you. You can purchase something like this to put your shades in, and it can fold like just like this, and you pop and you place it in your suitcase. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with a friend. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you in another video.